So try to remember those two things: retention rubbers and the logo that goes back to the trunk. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Anton 26. Today I'm going to show you how you can install your car cover sun protection and how to do it in seconds and with the right way. Here is our cover. So try to remember those two things: retention rubbers and the logo that goes back to the trunk. Before we start, try to remember that we must remove our antenna and put it in our trunk and lock the car. So we put it in our trunk, we close the trunk, and now we lock the car. Don't be afraid to install it, and don't be afraid for scratches. Just like this. Try to remember the logo that goes always to the back of the car. Here is the retention rubber. Now you can cover your car just by pulling gently the rest of the sun cover, the rest of your hood. Check it out. Here you can see the logo that always goes, in our case, at the trunk. Check it out, it's fully covered. And final step, I'm going to show you how you can remove your sun protection, your sun cover. It's really easy. You start from the front. Be careful at your license plate. You don't release your mirrors yet, but you release your tail. And now it's really easy to remove it. Just squeeze it. Without being afraid of nothing. I squeeze it as much as I can. And of course try to do this specific trick, and that's all. Final step, don't forget to unlock your car and put back in place the antenna. That was our video for today. I hope you find it interesting. Thanks for watching. Be safe on the roads. Always wear your seatbelt and your helmet if you ride a motorcycle. That's all. See you next time. Bye bye guys, take care.
And I don't regret anything. I just feel I'm doing things for the right reason. Some understand, some don't. In the end you never get everybody to understand and to agree and to accept. But most of them, I'm sure, admire after all what I'm doing.